Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel. I'm going to continue with my works on equation in this video, and today we are going to see equations with a fraction. And look at the first question we are having here. Remember, a fraction has a numerator and a denominator, as you can see here. So this is a category of equation that involves fraction, and the best approach to solving equations with fractions is to clear the fractions. That is, to multiply every participant of the equation with the LCM of the denominator. The denominators I'm having here are just 5, 7, and 15. So it is wise to get the LCM of these three numbers. And if you try to get the LCM of 5, 7, and 15, let us see what you have. 3 can go, you bring down 5, you bring down 7. 3 divided 15 is 5. 5 can go, you have 1, 7 and 1. 7 can go, you have 1, 1 and 1. You stop. So the LCM will now be 3 times 5, which is 15, and 15 times 7 is around 105. So I'll multiply everything here by 105. So this will now be 105 times x over 5 minus 105 times x over 7 equals 105 times 7 all over 15. Okay, so this is 7 over 15. Now 5 here is 1, 5 here is 21, 7 here is 1, 7 here is 15, 15 here is 1, 15 here is 7. So we have 21 times x, which is 21x, minus 15 times x is 15x, equals 7 times 7 is 49. Now 21x minus 15x is equivalent to 6x equals 49. So to get the value of x, I will divide both sides by 6. So I have 6 here. X cancels x. So 6 cancels 6. We have x equals 6 into 49 is 8. Remainder 1 all over 6, because 6 times 8 is 48 plus 1 equals 49. So let us take the second question. Okay, in the second question, we have 5x over 3 minus 1 is equivalent to 6x over 5 plus 3. Without wasting much time, the LCM of 3 and the 5 is 15. So I've got to multiply every participant of this equation by 15. So we have 15 multiplying 5x all over 3 minus 15 multiplying 1 equals 15 multiplying 6x over 5 plus 15 multiplying 3. So now 3 here is 1, 3 here is 5, 5 here is 1, 5 here is 3. So we have 5 times 5x is 25x, 15 times 1 is 15, equals 3 times 6x is 18x, plus 15 times 3 is 45. So we collect like terms. This will come here to meet number, to meet 25x. 15 will go here to meet 45. So we shall have 25x minus 18x equals 45 is here, minus 15 crossing over will be plus 15. So that 25x minus 18x will give us 7x equals 45 plus 15 is 60. So to get the value of x, I will divide both sides by 7. So I'll have over 7 all over 7. This cancels out. So x will give us 60 by 9 will give us 8. Remainder 4 all over 7. Because 7 times 8 is 56, and 56 plus 4 is 60. So let us take another one. Okay, so in the third question, this is what we are given, and if you take a good look at the denominator, you observe that the LCM should be 12. So I've got to multiply every element of this equation by 12. So I'll have 12 into 2x minus 1 all over 3 minus 12 into 3 minus x all over 2 equals 12 multiplying x all over 4. Now 3 here is 1, 3 here is 4, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 6, 4 here is 1, 4 here is 3. So we are now having 4 into 2x minus 1 equals 6 into 3 minus x equals, this is subtraction sign, minus 6 into 3 minus x equals 3 times x is 3x. Now you open the bracket, you have 4 times 2x is 8x, 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Now this is not just 6 but negative 6, so if you've got to use negative 6 to open this bracket, negative 6 times 3 is negative 18, negative 6 times negative x, negative negative is positive 6x equals 3x. Now here we have 8x and 6x, so if I sum up I will get 14x minus 4 minus 18 will give us minus 22 equals 3x. Now collect like terms, let this 3x come here to meet 14x, and negative 22 will cross over to the right hand side. We shall have 14x minus 3x equals negative 22 crossing over will give us positive 22. 14x minus 3x will give us 11x equals 22. So to get the value of x, I'll divide both sides by 11. So here I'll have that x is equivalent to 2. This is just the value of x because 22 by 11 is 2. So let us take one more question. Okay, in the last question we'll have 1 over 5 into x minus 2 minus half into x plus 1 equals 3 over 5, and the LCM here should be 10, the LCM of 5 and 2, so we've got to multiply every individual member of this equation by 10. So we'll have 10 multiplying 1 over 5 into x minus 2 minus 10 multiplying 1 over 2 into x plus 1 equals 10 multiplying 3 all over 5. So 5 here is 1, 5 here is 2, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 5, 5 here is 1, 5 here is 2. So we are left with 2 into x minus 2 minus 5 times 1 is 5 into x plus 1 equals 2 times 3 is 6. Then open the bracket, we have 2x. 2 times minus 2 is negative 4. Minus 5 times x is negative 5x. Minus 5 times 1 is negative 5 equals 6. Now 2x minus 5x is minus 3x. Minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9 equals 6. Now this now we cross over, we'll have negative 3x equals 6 plus 9, and negative 3x will give us 15 because 6 plus 9 is 15, and to get rid of this negative 3 we divide both sides by negative 3. So this cancels out, we are having that x is now negative 5. So you can see that we've dealt with equations that are involving fractions. I always reserve my appreciation to the Executive Governor of Anambra State, Chief Willie Obiano, for supporting Anambra Teaching on Air. My special appreciation to our Very Honorable Commissioner for Basic Education, Professor Kate Azuka Omenuya, for initiating Anambra Teaching on Air, and Mr. Patrick Okeke, the coordinator of Anambra Teaching on Air, for their support and motivation in opening my own channel to make sure that Anambra State education is second to none. Thank you so much for your support.